This video presents how easy it is to mail merge with a conditional field salutation in an Excel document with Eddy text editor. Switch to the data view. The Excel document contains the column recipient gender. Insert another column salutation. You can use a wizard similar to this one from MS Excel for creating the conditional formula, or type in the formula directly. Copy the formula to other cells. Switch to the text view. The new field, salutation, was detected automatically. Drag the field onto the text. Click Output in multiple files. Use Mail Merge fields for customizing the output file name for each customer. In Eddy Pro, you can additionally encrypt each PDF file with an individual password. The generated files are named according to the requested pattern. Every PDF document has individual salutation for each customer. Mail merge in the easiest way. Eddy, texteditor.com